Statistics, measures of variability, combined standard deviation. Part 19. In part 19 I have covered combined standard deviation. Combined standard deviation is calculated by the following formula. SD combined is equal to under root within under root n1 within bracket sigma 1 square plus d1 square bracket close plus n2 within bracket sigma 2 square plus d2 square bracket close divided by n1 plus n2. Here sigma 1 is equal to standard deviation of the first distribution, sigma 2 is equal to standard deviation of the second distribution, d1 is equal to m1 minus m combined, d2 is equal to m2 minus m combined. M is mean. Take one example. For two classes, number of students, mean and standard deviation is given, which is obtained by an achievement test administered on the students of these two classes. Find out the combined standard deviation. In a table, here is a class. Let the class A and class B, two classes, their students n, their mean is m and standard deviation is st. So for class A, n is 25, mean is 80 and standard deviation is 15, and for class B it is found that n is equal to 75, m is equal to 70 and sd is equal to 25. Solution. First we will calculate the combined mean or m combined. Here n1 is equal to 25, m1 is equal to 80, n2 is equal to 75 and m2 is equal to 70. Now formula for combined mean is m combined is equal to n1 m1 plus n2 m2 upon n1 plus n2. Using the values of n1 n2 m1 and m2 in the above equation, we have m combined is equal to 25 into 80 plus 75 into 70 divided by 25 plus 75. 25 into 80 is 2000 and 75 plus 70 is equal to 5250 divided by 25 plus 75 is 100. So 2000 plus 5250 is equal to 7250 divided by 100. It gives us 72.50. Now here sigma 1 is equal to 15 and sigma 2 is equal to 25. So sigma 1 square is equal to 15 into 15 or 15 square is equal to 225, and sigma 2 is equal to 25 whole square is equal to 25 into 25 is equal to 625. Now d1 is equal to m1 minus m combined. m1 is 80 and m combined I have calculated here, that is 72.50. It gives us 7.50. Now d2 is equal to m2 minus m combined, which is 70 minus 72.50, which is equal to minus 2.50. d1 square is equal to m1 minus m combined whole square, that is found to be 7.5 whole square. Here I have calculated 7.5 whole square, that is 7.5 into 7.5. 5 5s are 25, carry over to 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 2 37, 7 5s are 35, carry over 3, 7 7s are 49 plus 3 52, 5 7 plus 5 is 12, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 and 1 carry is 6 and 5, so 56.25. Now dt square is equal to minus 2.5 whole square, minus square is equal to plus, and 2.5 square is equal to 6.25. Now substituting the values of n1 sigma 1 square, d1 square, n2 sigma 2 square and d2 square in equation 1, we have sd combined is equal to under root n1 within bracket sigma 1 square plus d1 square plus n2 within bracket sigma 2 square plus d2 square divided by n1 plus n2. Values are as follows. n1 is equal to 25, sigma 1 square is equal to 225 plus 56.25 plus n2 is equal to 75, sigma 2 is equal to 625 plus d2 square is equal to 6.25 divided by 25 plus 75. Now 225 plus 56.25 is equal to 281.25. 625 plus 6.25 is equal to 631.25. Now 25 multiplied by 283.25 gives us 7031.25 plus 75 into 631.25, which is equal to 4734 4734.3.75, that is 47,343.75 divided by 100. Now adding these two values, we have 54,375.00. so this is equal to 54,375 divided by 100. Now this divided by 100 gives us under root 543.75. Now at the right hand side I have calculated 543.75 square root. So again, whenever the square root is to be calculated, pairs are formed from the right hand side, from right hand side to the decimal 75, so one pair, and 43 is another pair, and 5 is another pair. So now I have to check how many times it goes. So 2 1 1s are 1 is very less, 2 2s are 4 is okay. Suppose I am taking 3 3s are 9, 9 is more than 5, so it is not permitted. So 2 2s are 5, 2 2s are 4 is the actual possible digit. So 2 plus 2 is 4 written here, 2 multiplied by 2 written here, subtracting 5 minus 4 is 1. Now 43, copied this 43 43 in pair I have copied here. So now I have to check how many times it goes. So let it be 3. So 43 multiplied by 3 is 129, and 43 plus 3 is 46. Now subtracting 129 from 143, we have 14. Putting decimal, put decimal, and copied this 75 pair 75. Now 463, 3 times it goes. Suppose I have taken 4 4s are 16, that is more than 1475, so it is not permitted. So 3 times it goes. So 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, carry 1, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. Subtracting it, we have 86 here. Now after decimal we have to put 2 zeros. Now 4 6 6 2, 2 times it goes. Now 9324. So in this way I have calculated here. Actually 9324 is slightly more than this value, so it is not permitted. But here down to this question I have calculated thereafter. So first it goes to one time, and thereafter it goes to 8 times. So it goes to 8 times. In this way I have calculated here all the steps. So in this way it is to be checked. Now why I have written here 2? Because this value is more than 5, so preceding value increases by 1. So 23.32. So actual value is 23.3184. This value is more than 5, so preceding value increases by 1. So 23.32 is final answer. Hence combined standard deviation for the given data is found to be 23.32. So in this way I have to check whether the values are permitted or not permitted. So in this part I have calculated actually how it is to be calculated. First it goes to one time. So 1 is written here, 1 is written here. 1 multiplied by this gives us the same value. Subtracting this from this value, we have 3939. Again 2 zeros are taken. 1 plus 1 is 2, 6 6 4. Now I have to check how many times it goes. So it is allowing 8 times. So 8 8s are 64, carrying 6, 8 2s are 16, 6 22, and so on. I have written here this value, and next time it goes to 4. So this is all about 23.3184. This is equal to 23.32 after placing the values. Hence combined standard deviation for the given data is found to be 23.32. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and share the video. Thank you.